doing today for VEDA day 20. Laundry. There's more in the corner. You can't see it. Hopefully you can hear me audio-wise. I don't know. But yeah, so my video is exporting and what time is it? It's late. It's in the evening. And I gotta get it up tonight too. So I figured while I wait for it to export, I do some laundry. So here's your video. Me doing laundry. There's gonna be some underwear. Not gonna lie. Gonna be some undies. And yeah, I'm doing both mine and Evan's laundry. So I've set a timer for an hour. We'll see how much I get done. Then I'm gonna check and see how far the export's gone. How much the export's gotten. That's not the word I'm looking for. I don't know. I'm just gonna have an hour timer. And I'm gonna watch the latest Korean drama on Netflix, medical playlist? Doctor playlist? I think it's doctor playlist. Thoroughly enjoying it. So, little me time, little fold time. Let's get to the video. My card got full. I don't know when. So this is me after clearing out some space. I was folding for an hour. This is the last pile. Got myself some snacks. I'm now watching episode 15 of Hi Bye Mama on Netflix. That's where we are. Alright, we're done with the folding. Now you just gotta put it away, but that's another video. I'm not doing that now. I gotta edit this. But yeah, made some progress, so that's good. I feel very organized. Hope you enjoyed watching this, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.